Hi guys, Pete Gonzales here, and today I'll be showcasing Rust-Oleum's Custom Premium Lacquers. Rust-Oleum is the #1 selling brand of automotive lacquers. This lacquer can be used for customized striping, interior parts, rims, and more. What's nice about this lacquer is its durable, quick-drying formula gives you a long-lasting protection against UV, scratches, leaving you with a smooth finish, no time flat. This video will show you how to apply accent graphics on this vehicle's hood using Rust-Oleum's Custom Premium Lacquers. Let's get started. For this project here, we're going to be adding some white custom lacquer stripes to the hood from the front all the way to the back. Now, most of you out there have maybe thought about doing a project like this, but not quite too sure where to start. My suggestion is always follow the body lines first. This is going to give you a nice, sleek finish, and it already follows the flow of the car. In preparation for this, we're going to make sure that we mask up all areas that we do not intend to paint. This also includes the entire vehicle in the back, because you will not realize that you will get spray back there just from spraying up here. Let's get started. So I now have this all masked up. I use two different kinds of tape. First, I use a liner tape. This is a vinyl tape that will not allow any creeping of the paint or any soaking of the paint to go past the area that you wanted to mark off. Second of all, I use this masking tape, and this is just to back mask the actual fine line tape so you can keep it down in place and not have any lifting with that tape. Now that we have this entire car wrapped and masked, we want to take a scuff pad and lightly scuff any glossy areas in a crosshatch pattern for better adhesion, just like this. Now that we have this entire car prepped for paint, we want to make sure we shake the can vigorously. When applying this product, you want to make sure you keep the can upright, about a foot away from the surface. You always want to work in a back and forth motion and keep your overlaps as you do. Pro tip, always make sure you let go of the nozzle at the end of each pass so you don't create any buildup that's going to take extra long to dry. So we waited about 24 hours and our finish looks amazing. The next thing we need to do is remove all the plastic and the masking as well. So now that all the plastic is removed, our next step is removing all the masking. And this is a very important step. When removing the masking, you want to make sure you pull it back on itself, because if you pull it straight up, you might damage the paint underneath and also damage the area you just painted. Let me show you how. And there you have it, a very easy way to customize your ride to fit your personal style. For more information on this product and other automotive paints, go to rust-oleum.com/automotive. Till next time.